Welcome back in Krishna classes. Today's topic is charge to mass ratio of electron. This is the topic of class 11th chapter 2, structure of atom. So for the knowledge of structure of atom, discovery of electron and previous all topics, you have to subscribe my channel Krishna classes for the detailed knowledge, chapter wise classes also. So for the knowledge of chapter 1 in detail, all topics I covered, you can watch my previous videos and playlist of chapter 1 which is available on my channel Krishna classes. So let's start the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Charge to mass ratio of electron. This is the today's topic. British physicist named J.J. Thomson in 1897. British physicist J.J. Thomson in 1897 measured E by me, mass ratio of electron, charge to mass ratio, E by me, using cathode ray tube and applying electrical and magnetic field. What used? Cathode ray tube. And what apply? Electrical and magnetic field. How can he applied? By perpendicular to each other and also in the way of electron. Both way they applied the electrical and magnetic field, perpendicular as well as path of electron. Okay, so British physicist J.J. Thomson in 1897 measured charge to mass ratio, it means E upon me, using cathode ray tube and applying electrical and magnetic field. What is the cathode ray tube? I also described in my previous video with picture of cathode ray tube. So for the knowledge of this topic, you have to watch my previous video. And applying electrical and magnetic field perpendicular as well as path of electron in both way. So what he got? He E upon me. E upon me. It means charge to mass ratio of electron. E is the charge, me is the mass ratio of electron. Mass of electron and this is the ratio. He got E upon me value is 1.758820 into 10 to power 11 coulomb per kilogram. Okay, so this is the ratio of charge and mass of the electron. Who discovered? J.J. Thomson in 1897. Now come on the topic charges of electron. What is the charges of electron? R.A. Milkman, another scientist known as R.A. Milkman, devised a method known as the drop experiment method. In 1906 to 14. What method? Drop experiment method, given by R.A. Milkman. Okay, in 1906 to 1914. About this method, what happened? Electron charge is measured, that is 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Why here minus sign? Because electron carry negative charge. That's why its charge is also in negative form. So we write minus 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. C denoted the coulomb. So the value of present electron charge. So the value of present electron charge is 1.6022 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. This is the present value of electron charge. What is the present value? 1.6022 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. So also something also determined, what is mass of electron. Also determined mass of electron by the mixing of J.J. Thomson rule and Milkman method. Then what happened? Mass of electron also determined. Mass of electron is equal to electron charges upon E upon me, this value. Mass, I repeat again, mass of electron is equal to electron charges upon E upon me, it means its value. is equal to 1.6022 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. That is the present value of electron charge. Upon this value, E upon me value, 1.758820 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb kilogram inverse minus 1. So what we got? 9.1094 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram. This is the mass of electron. So what is the mass of electron? 9.1094 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram, in short for 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram. So this is the today's class. What we got in today's class? We got charges of electron, that value is 1.6022 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. In short way, 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. And what is another quantity? Mass of electron. What is the mass of electron? 9.1094 into 10 to power minus 31 kilogram. This is the mass of electron. And another value, E upon mv, also we got 1.758820 into 10 to power 11 coulomb kilogram inverse. And always electron charge is written in the negative form because electron carry negative charges. Charge to mass ratio of electron given by physicist J.J. Thomson in 1897, and charges of electron discovered by a method known as drop experiment given by R.A. Milkman in 1906 to 1914. So hope you understand this topic in very detail, very well. So thank you so much for the watching. My name is Surbhi and I am providing you continuous topic of all chapters of class 11, 12th, 9th, 10th, all chapters. So for the knowledge of your class, it means 11th class, all topics like in your school, colleges, in your coachings, continuous topic I am giving you. So for the knowledge of all topics, you have to subscribe my channel Krishna Classes. My name is Surbhi. Thank you so much for the watching. Thank you.